3 types of modeling to consider. There are many different types of modeling, and when you start to look at all of the opportunities available, it can get overwhelming pretty quickly. Are you cut out for the world of fitness, high fashion runway, catalog modeling? How do you know what the requirements are for each of these? Can you do all of them? Here are a few of the top options to give you an idea of what is out there and whether you feel one would be more appropriate than another. Here is the first type of modeling to consider. High fashion modeling may be one route to go, but there are very specific requirements if you plan to make it in the fashion industry. These models have to adhere to strict height requirements and have what it takes to strut their stuff on the runway. Designers count on high fashion models to display their new lines in a particular way and are very selective about who they choose to represent their brands. High fashion models are typically between 5'8" to 5'11" and have a dress size of 4 to 6. The age range to make it big in this industry is generally from 14 to 25, depending on how quickly one can meet the height requirement. Here is the second type of modeling to consider. Print or catalog models serve a variety of companies, and they normally represent these businesses in magazine, online, or newspaper advertisements, on billboards, and sometimes even in television commercials. This realm of modeling is most common and is the niche in which many models get their start. There are a ton of opportunities, and numerous models have spent their entire careers in print. Being a print model tends to not only generate great income, but provides a certain level of job security that helps in a gig market. Here is the third type of modeling to consider. Fitness modeling is another popular route to take, or one of its close cousins, which include bikini or lingerie modeling. All of these niches require models to be hyper-aware of their physiques and be willing to show them off, either interactively, in video form, or in print ads. In the age of Photoshop and all of its alternatives, this isn't age-intimidating as it may at first seem. While the premise of maintaining physical fitness is still a staple, there is some more wiggle room that makes the industry easier to enter and one that allows models to make a solid living. Moreover, if you want to switch it up along the way, there are always other forms of print modeling available, which is an easy transition since you've already flaunted your stuff in print. There are numerous types of modeling to consider. These are just 3 of the most popular paths. Before you get your start, it's always a good idea to research what's out there and have a certain direction in mind. This way, you can home in on what's available in your chosen area and get started more quickly. Take notes and know that you can always switch up your modeling career as you go.
To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.